I spent way too long being angry at my specific person. I'm not exactly sure what I was looking for, but I think I wanted closure. I wanted him to tell me that he was sorry for hurting me. I wanted him to own up to his mistakes. I wanted him to feel bad for what he did to me, whatever that means. After months of feeling this way, I realized I was only keeping myself stuck in the past. The reason why I was feeling angry and not doing anything about that anger is because subconsciously, I still wanted to be connected to him. It didn't matter that it was an intense emotion like anger. I just wanted to still be energetically connected to him. And that's when I realized it's a me thing. I needed to work on these feelings and these wounds within myself. If you're in this space right now and you're still holding on to that anger towards your specific person, I invite you to stop judging yourself. Just acknowledge the anger, feel it in your body, and allow it to pass through you. This is what I teach inside my program, Healing Heartbreak. You can join at the link at the top of my page. It's a 30-day tapping journey. So for 30 days, you're going to be guided to tap through the stages of grief that comes with heartbreak. Because let's be honest, mourning someone that's still alive sucks. It hurts. But tapping can shift your energy in minutes. I mean, I spent days crying and sobbing on my floor every morning and every night, just wanting an answer. And the answer I was looking for was not for my specific person. It was for me. So the first step was to stop blaming him, to stop making it all about him, to understand that I played a role in the end of that relationship, as hard as it was to realize that. And that doesn't mean that, he was innocent and I was making excuses for him. It doesn't mean that. It means that I don't have control over his emotions or his experiences, but I do have control over mine. And all I can do is focus on me because I'm responsible for my own energy. And holding on to this anger is not helping anyone, trust me. It's keeping you stuck. It's keeping you in the same place, and you deserve so much better. Maybe you don't feel that way right now, but you do. Okay? Ask me any questions in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Follow for more, and see you next time.